The self-proclaimed tribal chief taking on the OTC once again here, and who knows if this is even going to be the end of it.
You have to admit, Solo's made a good case for why he deserves the title of tribal chief. Some have even said he's a better leader of the bloodline than Roman ever was.
Yeah, Corey, but what took Roman years of fighting to earn, Solo just decided to take it for himself.
Rapid fire Samoan drop.
And a stop to the gut, too. Something in store for Solo.
Uranagi!
Man, oh man. This onrush has got to be draining Sikoa.
Yeah, and you can see Solo is just being overwhelmed by Roman here.
And Sikoa's bad mood could only turn worse after that.
And that's the kind of offense that's going to earn Reigns a spot in the Hall of Fame.
With two powerhouses like Solo and Roman, we know this is going to be a hard-hitting and devastating match.
Without a doubt, Cole, but I expect we're going to see that speed of Solo's play a big part in leveling the field here. With Roman's methodical pace, he leaves himself open to that explosive offense of Sikoa's.
Reigns, ready to strike.
Punches into the air with a Superman punch.
Here comes Reigns.
That's going to keep Sikoa down. Turning